Hey, what's up, guys? This is Hurricane. This is Hurricane Harvey that we're talking about. I'm not ready for this, but it's already here. I'm not ready for it. Hold on. It's not that good out. It's pretty good outside. Uh, it's not completely here yet. I'm telling you, it's not completely here. It's not completely here. I promise, it's not completely here. But it's hitting Corpus Christi. Hurricane Harvey. Last time it was Tropical Storm Harvey. Now it's Hurricane Harvey. Hurricane. Okay. Hurricane Harvey. Hurricane Harvey. That goes really great together. They both have H's in the beginning. Hurricane Harvey. They both sound great together. Okay, speaking of laughing, I'm gonna do some try not to laugh challenges with Screamzilla 1954. He already uploaded the video, go check that out. And I'm back, so peace out, my homies.